I'm Daisy Martinez. Today I'm going to turn you on to one of my little secret kitchen tips. One of them, my big guns, is called Achiote Oil. And Achiote Oil is nothing more than olive oil that has been steeped with these beautiful seeds called achiote seeds. You can find them in your Italian market under the name of annatto seeds. But this spice is used extensively in Latin America, and I just love it. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of achiote seeds into my little skillet here, and about a half a cup of olive oil. So we have about a half a cup of olive oil, and I'm going to start that off at medium-high heat. Now, achiote oil is something that really brings something to your dish, to the table, but you got to show it a little love for it to love you back. When you make achiote oil, we're going to start it off at high heat and wait for the seeds to start to twinkle, and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. So you can see the oil starting to change color. You see the oil twinkling. And now we're gonna lower the heat so that I really have a handle. And we're just gonna let that simmer a couple of minutes. It's not far. And this is looking pretty good to me. What we're going to do is, I have a little bowl with a strainer. Watch this color. This is really fabulous. Isn't that gorgeous? This is Daisy Martinez for EVOO, and we're doing Achiote Oil.